Hello dear sister, how are you doing? And thank you for helping me set up this account.
Hi dear, I'm doing fine and you're welcome. I'm here to guide you all along the way.
That's great. I was about to transfer some money to you, but I'm worried that our private messages here in Facebook Messenger might not be secure.
Don't worry, I've been using it for a long time and it's safe and convenient.
But how do I know my messages won't get hacked and someone else will steal our account details?
Facebook Messenger uses strong security system like end-to-end encryption, which means that the only sender and the receiver can read and access the content of the message. Also, your data is scrambled and unreadable to anyone who doesn't have the right encryption key. It makes sure that your data is safe at all times.
Modern cryptography is an essential tool used for secure communication by implementing protocols that prevent unauthorized access or modification of data. It utilizes various protocols that guarantee data confidentiality, integrity, and authentication of messages exchanged. Unlike traditional cryptography, modern encryption works with binary bit sequences and codes information using publicly available mathematical procedures, with a secret key providing confidentiality. One particular example of approach with graph theory is being used in cryptography to create complex ciphers that are difficult to decode. By assigning numbers to letters and using matrices, a unique key can be generated to encrypt messages. This technique uses Hamiltonian cycle and key matrix, and is an important part of the key generation process in cryptography. With this process, the sender can verify that the message came from them and not from somewhere else using digital signatures. The encryption and decryption keys are unique, making it difficult for unauthorized people to access the messages.
Using this process, first, an encryption table is created to map each character to a numerical value. Then, a complete graph is constructed where vertices represent characters and edges as labeled with the absolute difference between the vertices they connect. Complete graph matrix is produced and a Hamiltonian cycle is obtained. An alphabet encoding table is then used to create a diagonal matrix that is added to the adjacency matrix from the Hamiltonian cycle. This new matrix is multiplied by a key matrix to obtain the first cipher matrix, which is further multiplied by a private key obtained from the nearest neighbor algorithm. Taking the first cipher matrix modulo of the private key, the final cipher matrix is produced. To decrypt the message, the final cipher matrix, complete graph matrix, private key, and quotient matrix, which is obtained for dividing the first cipher matrix to the private key, are needed. This process is a sophisticated way to ensure message security and confidentiality.
That gives me more clarity. Thank you for explaining things to me.
It's my pleasure, sis. Anything to help. Just always remember to communicate only to the trusted contacts, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid clicking on suspicious links or accepting requests from people you don't know.
Alright, you explained everything very well, and now I am confident to use Facebook Messenger. It seems like it's convenient after all.
No problem, dear. I'm glad to hear that. Enjoy using it. If ever you need more help, don't hesitate to contact me.
Thanks again, dear.